everyone, I hope you're well. We're going to be making a quick cheat recipe today. We're going to be making ladoo in under half an hour. Here's the ingredients you're going to need. We're going to need couscous, which has been soaked in water. We're going to need some sugar, about 150 grams. We're going to need butter ghee, 2 tablespoons, some cashew nuts and some yellow food colouring. We soaked around 250 grams of couscous in water for about 20 minutes before we started the recipe. Now what we're doing here is we're adding the butter ghee to a hot pan. The pan is on a medium heat. As the ghee heats up, you can drain off your couscous so there's no more water left in it. You can see that it's expanded quite a lot while sitting in the water. After it's drained, add it into your warm butter ghee. Give this all a stir until your couscous and your butter ghee have mixed together. What you can see Amma doing here is adding a little bit of food colouring. She used a powder form of food colouring, but you're welcome to use any that you've got on hand. She used about a teaspoon's worth and you can see how vibrant the colour is. Mix that all together so it's all incorporated. Whilst this is happening, you'll notice that the couscous is becoming to get drier as all the leftover water evaporates from it. As soon as it starts looking a little bit drier like ours, you're ready for the next step. Once your colour's been all mixed in, you can add in your sugar. We used about 150 grams, and what you'll notice is that the sugar quickly melts into a syrup. You'll notice the texture change and start looking like this. Keep stirring your mixture on a medium heat, waiting for the sugar syrup to thicken and for the whole mixture to become a little bit drier. You can see here that our couscous mixture has dried quite a lot. It's still on a medium heat. We're still going to keep stirring it, and then we're going to add in our cashew nuts. We've chopped these roughly into small pieces. Give that all another big stir. You'll notice that the couscous has now taken on a lot of the sugar and now it's shapeable. This is when you're ready to take it off the heat. You'll know it's ready when you can dip your spoon into it and it holds its shape, like this. We're emptying the couscous mixture onto a plate so that it cools down. Now this last part here is completely optional, we just chose to do it to add a little bit more colour to our ladoo. Separate a little bit, about 2 tablespoons full, and add a different colour to the original colour. We're going for red. Mix that all together. Again, we've used a powder food colouring, but feel free to use any that you've got on hand. Now's when we get stuck in with our hands, so make sure your hands are nice and clean. We're going to add in our red coloured couscous into our original mixture and we're going to mix it all together, but we're not going to mix too much, just enough so there's little specks of red between the orange. Once it's mixed, grab a small handful and begin to mould it into a round shape. And it's that easy. We're just going to keep doing that until we've got as many as we want. Now we know that this isn't your traditional laddu recipe, we haven't used gram flour for example, but we thought this was a nice quick and easy hack recipe to satisfy cravings, and it's an easy dish you can make if you're expecting visitors. We hope you give this laddu recipe a try. We had a really good time making them. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you like and subscribe.